Say hi, guys. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Say, my name is Olivia.
Olivia.
My name is Olivia. Say, my name is Julia.
Mom, Dad,
And I'm Mom.
Leo.
Today we're going to be opening Ryan's giant egg. And it says, what does it say? It comes with a lot of surprises. Slime, putty, squishy plush, and 2 figurines with a light and sound vehicle. Oh my gosh. So today we're going to open it. So let's get into it, ladies. Let's open it. You ready? You need help?
Wow.
Okay, here we go. Let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Open it. Come on, open it.
Open.
Open it. Got it? Got it. Wow. So much excitement. Okay, here we go. Let's open them one by one. Let's open them. Let's see what you got. Ah, here we go. What's this?
Yeah.
Ryan's World. It's a mystery. So let's open one. Hold on. This is slime. Mommy's got scissors. I see. Oh, look, it's a figurine. And that figurine is, does it say? It is Driver Ryan. Wait, is it Space Ryan? I don't know which one that is. Okay, let's open the other one. Which one is in here? Oh, I'm gonna open your egg. Oh, wow. Look. I love how on the back it has, you know, all of the little figurine characters on the back. So they're Each little figurine comes with something. You're welcome.
It's no one. Let's see.
Okay, let's open this. Oh, wow. What's this? Oh, look at that. It is Karate Ryan. So I'm guessing this is Space Ryan. That's really neat. There's something still in here. Look. There's something still in here. But what we're going to do first, we're going to open these. So let's do that.
This one was unopened.
There you go. Oh, wow. Here we go. What is it? Oh my goodness. It's slime. What's this? So this is the Ryan squishy figure. So, let's see. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Olivia, this one is for you. What's with Olivia? Look, Olivia. Well, this is both of you guys.
What? What's this?
It came with the figurine. Oh, there's a surprise inside of the bag. What is this? Before I open it, is this Play-Doh?
Where's my egg?
Oh, that's cool. So,
Where's my egg?
is this like a form of Play-Doh?
Yep. Let me know home, Mom. Hold on.
So let's set all this stuff aside. Let's set all that aside. All right, so let's figure out what's in here. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's the spaceship that Space Ryan goes into. Wow. How cool is that? And Julia, this is slime. Oh my. This is slime, Julia. Yeah. Oh, it's slimy, all right. Do you guys like it? Yeah. Oh, and it comes with this. So Ryan is like a collectibles item. Ryan comes with a lot of the good things. Wow. It comes with a lot of them. So we may get another egg in the future and see if we get different things. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Very cool. You have to share. Share.
Let's see.
Good to share. Look at this. Karate ride. Hiya.
Oh.
I wonder what his name is. Gus. His name is Gus. Space Ryan. And Gus. Do you play with your slime on the table? Slime with your slime. That's it. That's it. That came in it. You like it? Julia's in love with the slime. Space Ryan. Space Ryan goes into space. That's the slime.
Baby, yeah. Wait. Uh-oh. Oops. My egg. Me too. Uh-oh. Wait. One more.
Yeah.
Dot. Ayo. It's my dot. Look. 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 It's very easy. Look. A snowball. It's fine. It's
That looks really neat.
Step, step,
That's cool.
It's done. Push, fish, see. On. Okay. Let's see. It's bottle and book. It's doing.
Olivia, do you like that slime?
Whoa.